Good afternoon everyone. So today we are going to do a pedagogical activity. Pedagogy is nothing but the innovative teaching method. So it's different from normal traditional method of teaching. So we are going to do one such kind of activity for our subject prefabricated structures. Okay. So there are different methods in the innovative teaching method or pedagogy. Among them, we are going to do an activity named as mind mapping activity. Okay. So mind mapping is nothing but it's a visual way of representing a concept or a topic. Okay. So it is nothing but we are going to take one main topic. So in that main topic there are different branches or different subtopics are there. So we are branching out that main topics and we are branching the subtopics. From that subtopic, each subtopic we are branching further and we are doing activity like that. Okay. So the main objective of this activity is that the understanding of concepts will be very clear and compared to normal studying approaches. Okay. Also, they are doing in a group, so it also enhances the teamwork and the coordination, organization, such kind of skills we can able to develop through this kind of activity. Okay. Also, it also develops the critical thinking and evaluating as any topic, not only this subject, any subject we can able to develop our critical thinking skill. Okay. So these are the objectives, major objectives that we can able to gain from this by doing this activity. So what are the steps that is required to do that? I will explain now. First, we need to select a main content or main topic from our syllabus. Any topic we can take. So that is the first step. Then from that main topic, we need to analyze. We need to think how many subtopics are available there. So we are going to write. We take a paper. In center, we are going to write the main topic. From that, we are going to branch out the subtopics. Then each subtopic, there will be many ideas, there will be many examples, logical thinking and all will be there. So we need to branch out this kind of thoughts in the subtopics. So it should be one or two words. It should not be a very lengthy line. That kind we need to create such kind of words in that paper. Okay. Also, we need to use the main keywords only. We should not use any lengthy sentences. We can add color, we can add some sketches, any diagrams and all. There is no restrictions on that. So based on our creativity, we can add such kind of details. At last, we need to connect them through some arrow marks or something. Okay. So these are the main instructions that is needed to conduct this activity. Okay. So what are the main benefits of this activity means? It makes our learning more engaging when compared to normal teaching methods like sitting in the class, you are lecturing, you are listening, you are taking notes. So apart from the traditional method, this kind of activity will be more engaging and there will be more opportunity for you to do interactive sessions in that. Okay. Also, it helps to brainstorm our topics. We are taking a topic now, we will study in one previous week, then after during exam only we will be able to recall the topic. So in between, if you do this kind of activities, it can help us to recall or brainstorm the previously studied topics. Okay. Also, it will simplify complex tasks into minor partitions, minor parts. Okay. So if there is any tough topic we cannot able to study in, through this kind of approach, we can simplify the topic and it will be easier to learn for us. Okay. So now we are going to conduct this activity. Okay. Thank you. organize your ideas, so you come up with your own thoughts, your creations and all. Okay, ma'am. So it is not only a learning tool, but also it is used for our effective brainstorming session. It used for problem solving skills. This kind of skills we can develop through this activity. Okay, now you guys have somewhat came across such kind of things. Okay, so I encourage all of you to use your mind mapping regularly on your studies, not only this subject, in the other subjects also. During exam times you can use this activity, then it is easy for you to revise your topics during your examinations. Okay, so I appreciate the students who have given their feedbacks, given their overview of the mind mapping sessions. I thank you, students. Also, I thank you for your participation and your excellent effort.